my passion. I get excited when I see this. Because I've always loved meteorology since I was a kid. I love thunderstorms, hurricanes, big snowstorms. Like I'm always like a type of kid who used to like video things, I guess, because it's my passion.
You guys got swing first period?
That's what Sean was saying. They should just pull off today and come back on Monday. Because it's completely flooded in the back driveway and my feet are soaked. But no, it's expanding though. So like as it expands, there's still stuff off to the west. It's got to swing through.
I don't know about the thunder.
It's not going to stop at 9, I can tell you that. I was the one who told Sean, get inside, there's going to be a thunderstorm. I know right away when I look at a map, I'm like, this is coming through. I have a gift for that, like, because I follow like everything weather related. Like I said, Sean, don't put the tents up overnight, because I know we're getting a thunderstorm in about 20 minutes. I'm right on the money.
Did y'all set up top?
We did, and John went out, and it was lightning. I had to stay on the side because there was some lightning before. He wanted me to go put them up. I'm like, and then he's mad because one of them broke them. Lightning hit the metal. That's what the smoke was. That must have been what the smoke was. One of the tents, the metal broke it, cut the kid. I think lightning struck it and broke it in half on one of the legs. Yeah, that's my theory. Nah, Quinn, I think lightning struck one of the tents because we smelled smoke this morning. I think lightning hit one of the tents because the leg broke and snapped in half. I think. No, in the back in the village, there must have been lightning because one of the legs was completely snapped. I ain't doing no work today.
Oh my god, look at me! Hi, how's it going? Dude, what are you doing? All the chances, bro. All you slab. All so all coming out one by one.
Hey Sean, I think that the lightning electrocuted Sean. I think the lightning electrocuted the tent that broke. Some of the tents that broke, I think the lightning electrocuted them. Not one that broke, which I think the lightning hit the lightning and cut it in half. Lightning has heat, so lightning is like electric, so I think the lightning cut in half.
They just started coming down.
I've seen it before.
Like Danny, remember Danny came in? I know you want to. This is worse. This is worse.
I was like, Sean, get inside. Shut the door.
Let me go home. I want to go home.
Me too.
It's already Brian is the guy here. Shut up, don't call you. Good, Johnny. I fell off. Yeah, no, it's not anymore.
If the bus gets stuck on the front, it's over.
I just dropped me off. Robert up here right now. Dude, I just rushed me off the highway and I went back up. Hey, that's really cool. Yes, yo, tell me about last week. Yeah, no, kids who can't win it mentally, what's it called? So this, yeah, no, they started. It was a tropical storm last week. Oh, you remember?
This is basically a top.
This is like, I mean, there was less light.
Hey, at least it's the weekend. At least we're not drinking tomorrow.
Those lights are going crazy right now. I know it.
Yeah, I like to report thunderstorms.
I mean, that is cool. Wow.
No, we actually got the eastien.
I remember when I was a kid, I would always report thunderstorms. It was cool. Like, look at that flood. You think the kids are gonna walk through that? I mean, come on.
It's so
We probably got about 3 inches of rain just now.
it's like low key like the okay food on earth.
Imagine a kid walking down. I was 2 minutes away. I couldn't get a car.
Oh, what?
I just don't want to.
Yeah,
Like, I'm walking back out there.
Oh! Did you see that? You saw that lightning strike?
That is the rule.
You saw that, Sean? Look at that. That's
Hasn't thundered in like 2
You
minutes.
saw that lightning strike? It was a nasty lightning strike just now. Cool.
You got a camera?
I did. They can also picture like videos, so it's even cooler.
And your phone is like the best quality out of it.
Is that, yeah.
Film out of this window so the screen's not in the way.
That's the Bronx zone.
Oh, you're supposed to even pick up the screen.
I actually have it against the glass.
Also, like, no Uber drivers didn't drive.
4 people.
Dude, I just were picking up in a snowstorm.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, it was like blizzarding out, and he was like,
People that were like, no, like, what's the sketch? I don't know, man. But like,
don't tell me the rain's letting up.
like storming up on the basements flooded.
Oh,
Like that one.
oh, the big one?
Yeah, the big one. Yeah, that one. There was two cracks downstairs where people were swimming out of the boat. Like, the only reason
We're just reading until they come back.
See my shoes?
The kid doesn't know. I said that's so much. The old super said, oh, no.
my brother's like,
I figured, I'm like,
I have like a 1 terabyte storage. There's still like 600, 500 gigs on this phone left, so I have plenty of room. Yeah. I like lightning.
That's good service. That's good
You
maintenance.
gotta tell Peter. You gotta tell Peter about what happened with that dude. I didn't order the stuff.
If we judge it by how early Samuel probably
Yeah.
was already on the
Nah.
He's Samuel's cut. We know that.
I hate conditions. I know the
I was at
A little bit, but it's very windy. And if lightning strikes a tree, the tree will actually snap in half. Like if ground-to-ground lightning from the distance hits a tree can split in half. I've seen it before. Trees can split in half from lightning very quickly.
yeah, we got an escort for kids.
No, you don't. Because it's dangerous.
We're like basically like the woods too.
That's what it is. See, yeah, we're back in the woods, so. And it's probably gonna rain again later. It's like gonna be like not as bad, but like thunderstorms or heavy rain like it's on off all day.
Chase like has like a morning
Chase had the same don't fall out. The nigga got stutter. And he was like, this brain, you can't. She was like,
We saw videos the other day.
He was like, that's why I ain't signed up. I'm going to stay. Playing something.